Alright, you're welcome to Basic Tutorials, and today I want to teach you how to make free, easy, simple YouTube thumbnails. Very easy, it's free, it's simple, it is professional. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make these thumbnails for your YouTube videos. We use thumbnails to draw viewers to our channel and our videos. Now, if you do a video without a thumbnail, it actually it is actually something that will not attract much audience, because people will not know what the video is about. When you do a thumbnail, the thumbnail tells the people what the video is about, because that's the first thing they see on your video. So it's good if you don't have thumbnails on your videos. After watching this video, do this simple free thumbnails and go to just editing on your videos and insert these thumbnails, and your videos will look nice. You get more views, more audience. So straight away, let's go. So the software I'm using here is called Active Presenter software. I've done a couple of videos on it, how to use it, to do flyers, to do even logos and other things. So I will link them up so that you can click on them and watch them. So if you don't have the Active Presenter software, it is free. This is the free edition I'm using. So if you don't have it, just get internet connection, make sure you connect, then just go to Google, search for Active Presenter, then just get it downloaded, and let's do this. So when you get everything done, you come to you open it. We are here right now. So what do we do? So you can do a lot of things here. All these are templates that you can use for your thumbnail. You can use any of them for your thumbnail. A lot of templates. So, and you can use a blank space, So let me choose something like let me see which one. Okay, let me select the Britney. Alright, so I choose blank project. Alright, so this is my work area. And you can increase it using this arrow up, or you can decrease it this way. And these are editing tools. You can use a lot of things here. You can also use. So let's continue. So let's, depending on the video you're making, you choose a very great thumbnail. You have to actually work on the thumbnail you are creating, because it is everything about that has to do with your video. So here, let's choose we are working on how to create thumbnails. So let's say how to create simple plus free plus professional YouTube thumbnails. What it is? Okay, YouTube thumbnails. Alright, so we have this as our thumbnail caption: how to create simple plus free plus professional YouTube thumbnails. So you can increase the font size by selecting it. Alright, sorry. Okay, back. let's select it, Control A, let's increase it to like 100 and see what we'll get. 100. Let's see what's here. Okay, let's see 100. Oh wow, this let me see. Okay, so 100 is okay. So we can also work on this. There are a lot of effects here. Gradient, solid fill. We can change the color, even the color that it came with. You can change it. Solid color. This solid color. See, so we can change the color inside to something else. You know, or you can change some. So let's take the red, and we can work on the opacity and other things to get what we want. So a lot of things happening here right now. So okay, so let's continue. So you have this. So you can change. You can work on the opacity. So let's maintain this, and you can do a lot of things here. And this part is around here. We can change it to a solid line. We choose solid line, then we can increase it. We can increase to 10. Let's say 10. All right. So we have this, this line around it. Okay. So we can continue by highlighting the YouTube thumbnails to make it stand out. Okay. All right. How to create simple class-free but professional YouTube thumbnails. Then we can also add something here by, okay, let me see something here. Okay, so that's fine. Let's add something here like there are a lot of things we can insert here. Let's go to insert. You can come to icons, click on icons. You have a lot of options to choose from. Let's choose the YouTube logo, click on it, you get the plus sign, come here to the work area, just click on it, you get it here, then you can enlarge it, just enlarge it, so you can, something like this, like this. So we can change the color to red something. So let's get rid of this box. All right. So how to create simple plus professional YouTube thumbnails. So you can actually add other things you want to add. So we can manipulate this. We can manipulate this, and you can also add something. You can use the text caption and use it with YouTube. Write YouTube, and select it. You can increase the size to maybe 60. Let's say 60. All right, so 60. Okay, so here too you can use custom shadow. When you use the custom shadow, you see the effect here. Yes, very nice. And you can use even the bold. You can bold it. And so let me see, we can change it to red. So we can change it to red. YouTube. So we can manipulate it. So this is what we have here. Very nice. And there are a lot of things you can do. A lot of additions, subtractions you can do. and you have your thumbnail. Simple as that. How to create simple plus free. How to create simple plus free plus professional YouTube thumbnails. How to create simple plus free plus professional YouTube thumbnails. So it's good. This is a good thumbnail that you can use. There are a lot of things you can do with, so you can explore and do your additions and get what you want. When you finish, go to export and go to export it as image, because the thumbnails are images that we insert in our YouTube video. So you select it, then you choose your browse to select where you want it to be on your computer. So desktop, I want it to be on my project. I'll select my project and choose select folder. Then I can also choose the size. I want to use 100. You can change it to any size you want. I want it in PNG. You can change it to JPEG. Here I want it to be as high. That's okay. So just click OK. Alright, so it's ready. Fast, very fast. So let me check it out. Let me check it out. So all these things are some of the thumbnails I've done. Yes, I use the same thing to do this thumbnails. A lot of them, all my thumbnails, I'll be using this to do them. So let's search for what we did. Let's see. Okay, it's here. Alright, here, how to create simple plus free plus professional YouTube thumbnails. How to create simple plus free plus professional YouTube thumbnails. Wonderful. Nice, free, professional. So when you're done, just go to YouTube, choose your channel, go to the video. You don't have a thumbnail, or if your videos don't have thumbnails, just create a lot of them. For creating, just go to edit, YouTube Studio, and just insert. If you go down the editing, you will just see thumbnails. Insert a thumbnail and let your video get views, because people, this is the first thing we're going to see. When you insert a thumbnail, this is the first thing they will see on your video, and when they read it and they like it, they click on it and watch it. So thank you so much for watching, and I know it has blessed you and it's going to help you. If you're not subscribed to this channel, I want you to subscribe to it and hit the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you can get to watch. And we're going to link the other videos you can also watch, and we're going to link them so that you can have access to them. Thank you for watching. Comment, share, and let us know what you think about the video. Thank you so much.